Okay, this winter decided that we use this quite a bit in the van now, the diesel heater. This is a 5 kilowatt one, and where the fuel tank is stored, let me just show you that one. There, and it's very good, nice and secure, no problem whatsoever. But I've decided what I've got here, which is my pot. It's called you don't really want to know. Anyway, it's just a box which wasn't doing a lot. Don't use it a lot. We do it when we're on holiday, but I can't justify it just sitting there and it's wasted. So what I'm going to do is fit a 10-litre fuel tank there. There's the original, so I want 10 litres because we do use it quite a bit. And I'm just going to show you how I fit the tap to the fuel tank. Okay, everything's inside the tank, but you've got to now get this from here through there. I'll show you. Okay, so 10 litre. Take the top off. And there's all the bits. You get the screws as well, the fitting screws and everything, and 2 little rubber washers. Now the idea is you've got to fathom out where you want the thing to come through, your little pipe adapter. And oh, there we are. And the only option is, well, you've got one at the side here, which is a bit silly really, because it's a quarter of the way up the tank. So unless you, I suppose you could do it like that. Yeah, anyway, the next one's here, and that's going to go like that. So you've got to determine how this is going to fit in your vehicle. Well, as it is at the moment, mine's going to be not here, but let me just show you, like that. But this will be facing the outdoor, so it's virtually going to fit to the side of the van like that, with my filler cap right by the back door, so I can actually fill it up. So that's it. So what we're going to do now, we've got to drill a hole through here. Hold on, let's make sure through here. Make sure you get the right one, and it's got to be, I think it's a 10 mil. I'll double check, but I'm pretty sure, 100% sure, it's a 10 mil hole. Okay, so tools required: 1 pair of cutters. You might not, you might, I do not know, depending what you've got at hand. 1 drill, definitely need that. 1 8 mil or 10 mil, I'll let you know exactly. And some of this. This is small gauged wire, and you know, I have no idea where I got it from. I know you can buy it from small gauge wire. You can buy it from garden centres and whatnot for putting your plants up. And we need enough to go from the top to the hole with a little bit to spare. We don't need a great deal. So you need, that'll do. Hence the cutters. Sorry, right, so put that to one side. Next we'll straighten this out as best we can. So I'm going for a 8 mil to start with. I think it is the one, I'm pretty sure it's either be an 8 or a 10. And then we're going to bring this in. Difficult to get you in camera, hold on a second. So make sure you know which way your tank is going to lie. So mine is with the lid there, mine is going to go that flush against the back of the bed, which is behind me over there. So my hole wants to be in there. Alright, so you're going to get this smack in the middle, or I want it in the middle. And there's no divot or anything. Just take your time. And any bits that go inside, just pick it up. Did you see that? I don't know if you saw that. Anyway, there we are. There's all the bits. So get them out. And then if you lift it up, if there's any in there, they'll pop out. Okay, that's that bit done. Now I know what you're thinking. Right, we're going to put the wire down here. No, we're not actually. We're going to put the wire through this way. because these little compartments here, which are sealed, this is where you put your bolt through to hold it, but we can't get through because the line of sight is not quite there. So it's going to be easier going this way, and you can actually, and there we go, straight through. Okay, I'll leave that in position like that. I always carry a couple of spares, and I'm looking at this one, which is fine. It's very, very light, very flimsy. And I've got this one, which I think was one of the early models that came out. So take the head off. I'm going to use this one, by the way. And each one has 2 rubber washers on it. All right. So, and it sits into a little bit of a divot around the edge. So just make sure that's in place like so. All right. And take the wire back out and see to make sure that your tap fits. So it's an 8mm and it fits like a glove. Now we've got this. This has now got to go on the inside, of course. So it gets a little bit tricky. Okay, slide him in. That's got to go all the way down, and now you've got the fiddly bit of getting it out of there. Here he is. Oh, like a little mouse coming out. Come on. There we go. Just pinch him, and right, that's it. I'm just going to leave the wire on for a second. Alright, got him there. Then you put another rubber ring on this side. So make sure you hold him. I'm going to push him back in. Okay, and then we're going to put a nice new nut on. So if we need to tighten this up, of course, we might have to hold this very gently with a pair of, I would say, long nose pliers up here, not on the end. Sometimes you don't, sometimes you do. So right, I can pull the wire out. I always put that to one side and never find it again. I don't know why I keep doing it. So now we're going to need, I think that is a 13 mil. Right, let's get the spanner. Yep, definitely a 1/2 inch. Just gently, just to hold him. That's it, that's tightening. That's not far off. And then one more little twisty. Brilliant. And that's it. That's ready for action. Put the cap on. I'll just make sure there is no button in there. That's clean. Funny fit, is it? I know it's it. That's it. No, it isn't. Bit of an awkward fit, that one. Be careful with this. Oh, there we go. There's a little bit of a funny fit. There you go. That's it. That's ready for fitting. Okay, 1/2 inch spanner, pair of pliers, an 8mm drill, perfect size, 8mm drill, spanner, pliers, and a bit of wire. I think that was it. That's all we used, wasn't it? And everything else that you need comes with it. Just thin gauge wire. That's it. Where's that? There you go. You can see that. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and like. That would be great. Thanks very much for watching, take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.